So we drove through Italy, and right now we landed in Pagani Factory. And so we're gonna have this exclusive tour and get to see my favorite and dream car. Zonda, a lot of character and personality, and the way they carved the interior, the way that it's done, it's beautiful. Some mechanic, some beautiful touches inside. It's just gorgeous. Has a lot of personality. You feel like it has a real Italian touch to it from the inside.